In this video, I'm going to teach you how to link Paramount Plus to Amazon Prime. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the process of using your Paramount Plus subscription in conjunction with Amazon Prime. So even though you can use your Amazon Prime account and get access to Paramount Plus, the process of linking them directly is a little bit weird. So I just want to make it very clear that for this video, according to my research, I don't think it's possible to link them directly, especially if you already manage one outside of the other. So usually what happens is that when you go over to Paramount Plus or you go to Amazon.com and in here you look for the option to get Paramount Plus, you will be able to do a free trial using your Amazon account. So as you can see, you can mix your Prime Video account plus Paramount Plus, and this will give you access to the entirety of the catalog. Now, after this is done, you can manage this subscription by going over to your account page. So hover over your name, click account, and then under memberships and subscriptions, you can find Prime Video channels. Now, if you had a subscription active, it would appear under this list here. As you can see, I don't have one, and it doesn't give me the option to add new channels. So basically, to answer the question in the title of this video, you are not able to link them directly. However, as long as you have the channel active when you go over to this page, it means that they are already linked essentially. So you need to access the Paramount Plus catalog through Prime Video. So if you go over to Prime Video and you search for Paramount Plus, just like this, you can access all of the catalog available. So instead of doing this process on the Paramount Plus app or going over to their website, just go over to Prime Video instead. And once this is done, you will be able to access all of its catalog. To my knowledge, you cannot simply link them directly. You have to participate in this Paramount Plus Amazon Video offer, and after this link is established, it should automatically appear under your subscriptions for Amazon Prime channels, and if it doesn't, then you will not be able to link them. I hope I was able to help you on how to link Paramount Plus to Amazon Prime. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.